Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my, the AIs you saw in the devlog, so mine and also Glasses. But I decided I'm not gonna rebuild Glasses AI from scratch because it's like basically the same AI I showed you guys how to build in the previous videos. So I'm just gonna show you the changes. So going to the project, to the actual Devlog project. Okay, so I did mention this later on, but I forgot to say right here that there's also a wait before the AI actually starts. That is because my logic is that there's robbers breaking into your house, so the robbers need time to break in. And of course you can increase this little wait with the setup AI script. You can see there's pretty much the same thing. First movement, pick path, second movement, third movement. But instead of Glass actually going to the door, he will not appear at the door. Once he gets to cam 1, he will run the RNG, and then he will try, and after he runs the RNG, he will try to kill you. So he doesn't actually show up at the door. From cam 1 or 2, he runs his RNG. When he's done, he's gonna try and kill you. So basically, for fourth movement, you don't need to set a position. So you guys can just set to a position in which, it's not visible. Boom. Nil. Yeah, now it's kind of a mess. One sec. I need to reorganize this. So you basically set the AI to a camera which is not visible, and then, runs his RNG, tries to attack. If he fails, he fails. If he, succeeds, he succeeds. And for the rest, it's just the same thing. Instead, for my AI, yeah, we'll rerun it back from scratch. It's not really anything too complicated. So, like usual, we're gonna put that when we receive, in this case, because we already did the menu and the AI setup, so we're gonna put, I gotta switch that message, because now it's actually multiple, so I'm just gonna put start enemies. There we go. So let me swap out the message here then. There we go. So that's that. So we got that set up. After that, boom. So you set when I receive start enemies. Then you're gonna make some new variables, just like usual. My AI does not have RNG though, so you don't need number, road, movement number, any of that bull crap. So, what you're going to do is we're gonna put our weight. We are going. I'm not gonna set up. I'm just gonna put a random timer. I'm just gonna put 15 seconds. I'm not gonna go into like setting it up for which knight is picked, because this is like the tutorial thing, and I don't have that set up. I don't have entrance time set up for Glass either. So we're gonna wait those seconds. After that, we will set the robber position, or the enemy position, however you called it, to the camera which it starts from. My AI always goes to the right, so we will broadcast first movement. Easy, and then also the enemy name refresh, just like always. We can then duplicate this, switch this out with first movement. Here, of course, you're going to set a different time, which is gonna be the time it takes for the AI to move. In my case, my AI is like really slow, but he has one special characteristic, which is stalling at the door. and not actually going away, and not actually waiting and then checking if the door is shut or not. So after that, oh no, okay, because that's alright. So you're gonna set a new position. I always go to the right, so it's gonna be cam 4. Then we have a second movement. There we go. Set new position. So in this case, it's 2, right? Yeah. Great. Nice. Okay, so it's 2, and after that, it will, you know, attempt the attack. If I'm not mistaken, let's see here. Third movement. I mean, yeah, okay. Never mind. So we still got third movement because, of course, he has to wait before actually going to the door. He's not just gonna go to cam 2 and then immediately also go to the door. So we also have third movement, and in third movement you are going. Oh my god! One moment. I don't know why I talk so ahead of myself. And in third movement, you are going to set him to a position which is not visible on the cameras. I'm just gonna put ST as in for stalling. After that, we are going to broadcast a new message here called attempt door attack, just like with glass, basically. And we're gonna put that when we receive attempt door attack. We are going to. I actually show up and wait at the door, unlike glass. So I wait 5 seconds, and then it's just a whole bunch of checks. Instead, though, I only. Oh wait, if else. What kind of check did I do there? Okay, so that's completely irrelevant. Okay. No idea why I did like that. Anyways, so we're just gonna put the ifs right there. We're gonna put a equal operator right here. Then check if the game has actually ended or not. So if game ended equals false, then I gotta put another if else check in there. Wait. Oh, now I get it. No if else check for the game ended. So if game ended and then okay, there we go. Now we got it. So put an equal right there, equal right here. In this case, it's where's right door active? Right there. Okay, so one situation. Oh my god, hiccups. Sorry. One situation is either gonna be true or false, and depending on that, if the right door active equals true, we are going to broadcast a new message called stall. And if right door active equals false, we're gonna broadcast the lost message, like usual. And also, of course, the jump scare message. Of course, I won't be like going into making the jump scare for myself, because it's the exact same thing as Glasses one. There's really not a difference. It's just a different sprite. So after that, we're gonna set game ended to true, of course, like usual. Okay, so when we receive stalling, or just stall, called it stall in this case. We are going to make a new variable for the occasion. I don't know if I already have it here. No, I don't. We're gonna make a new variable called name of the enemy stalling. And we are going to set that stalling variable. Why can I never find variables? It's such a mess. We're going to set that to true. I forgot to mention this while I was recording, but I also want you guys to make sure that at the start of the game, fires stalling is set to false. And also, fires stalling is set to false when going back to the menu. Either it's gonna cause some problems. Then it will wait a specific amount of time, which will be the time he's waiting at the door, before actually going back to default position. Of course, you can increase the time if you make a specific variable for it and setting it up as the nights progress, like I showed you guys how to do in with the menu video. So after waiting that total of time, we're then going to set fires stalling to false, and we are going to broadcast the message called restart loop fuzzy, just like glass. There we go. And so when we receive I have no idea what I'm doing, restart loop, we are going to set the position back to its default. So in my case it's 5, and then yeah, we're gonna broadcast first movement and fuzzy refresh, just like that. So now we can transfer some of the stuff that we already have from glass and, you know, switch it over to FireZ. Since I already have some stuff that I can just convert and not have to redo it again. Boom. Aha. Is that it? Did I get this in? I don't think I did. Okay, so we got okay. Yep. Okay, so camera online, switch this. Remember to switch the variable to the actual correct enemy. So in this case, it's fuzzy. Here it's not glass refresh, but it's fuzzy refresh, and here it's fuzzy. Okay. And okay, so we got this switch rubber position. There we go. And here we're just gonna, yeah, just put those right there. I don't know. So there we go. It's a very short piece of code. It's only 80 blocks. Glass's AI is a little bit longer. It's 146. Anyways. So now we gotta actually make them show up at the door, and I already have all of that set up because I forgot to wipe it. Anyways, I'll just like explain it. So when we receive a temp door attack, if the right door is false, then we are going to show it. But there's actually an error in there, because if I have cameras pulled up and my right door active is false, that would mean that I would see that he has reached the office through the cameras, which is not good. So we are going to put a big ol' check for the camera status. And I mean, it's not really necessary. Oh, so we can put an OR right here. I mean, we could just duplicate this, set this to true, and then I don't know what's the entire point of that, but okay. And we're just gonna put this right there and that right there. So if camera status equals true or right door equals active, then it will not show the boy. So there we go. Of course, if the camera's pulled down, if robot position, blah blah blah. And okay, yup, that works flawlessly. Great. So that works. So that's how you. Oh wait, nope. Hold on a second. Still not done because. So my AI stalls at the door, and if you open the door while he's stalling, he kills you. So we do that by, yeah, I already, wait, no, I didn't, no, I'm tripping. So anyways, we do that by going over to the right security door. Oh, okay. And we make it so that when we receive, open right door, okay? If fires is stalling equals true, or enemy is stalling equals true, however you named it. In this case, I got my name on it. We are basically going to broadcast the same exact messages you would get by like dying, having your door open, because you had your door open. Just like that. There we go. So that's how you make my AI. And hold on. I'll test that out just for the sake of the video. But I'm gonna unplug glass because I don't want to have to deal with them. So we'll just do that. Wait, was he faster? If I know, because okay, so I'm just gonna make him faster, because I don't want to wait 9 years, because he's really slow right now. So we'll save. Of course, jump scare files ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah, basically. Alright. So yeah, I mean, we can just go to 9.1, doesn't really matter. So we'll just wait for Fuzzy to get here. And okay, I don't have a message for lost because I took that out when I made the jump scares, but anyway, this blank white screen is supposed to represent lost. And if we run that back and actually close the door. Okay, and he should be back now. I had a slight malfunction there. Oh, yeah, it's not layered correctly. So if I just go to back layer. There we go, it just disappears. Let me run that back again. Okay, he should be almost back now. What happened? Why does it say 5 seconds? Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my lord, I gotta run it back again! Okay, no more mess ups. Had enough of this, mate. So there we go, so you can see it's taller. If I open the door, it's just death. So that's how you make my AI. And yeah. So my AI and also glasses. Almost forgot to mention glass. So in the next video, I will show you guys how to make that special game mode, because I wanted to do it, but then I remembered that I still hadn't showed how to make the Devlog AIs, and I really wanted to do that, so yeah, here we are. Anyways, we're done, so I'll see you guys in the next video.